Does using a white noise machine really help your baby sleep better? Or is it just another parenting myth? Let's find out in this video. Stay tuned. Welcome to New Mom and Dad, where we help new parents with essential tips and advice for a happy and healthy baby. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more parenting tips. White noise machines are designed to block out household distractions like conversations or passing traffic. But did you know they can actually mimic the soothing sound of the womb? Inside the womb, babies are used to continuous sounds, like the gentle whooshing of blood flow and the rhythmic heartbeat of their mother. White noise can help recreate that environment, helping your baby relax and settle into deeper sleep. But you might have heard mixed opinions about white noise machines. While many parents and doctors recommend them, some raise concerns about their safety. A 2014 study found that certain machines could exceed the recommended noise level for infants when used at full volume. So what's the truth? The good news is, white noise machines can still be used safely if you follow a few key precautions. First, keep the machine at least 7 feet away from your baby's crib. Second, keep the volume low, below 50 decibels A. You can even use a smartphone app to measure the sound level. And finally, limit the time your baby is exposed to white noise by using it only during naps or nighttime sleep. So, is white noise right for your baby? It might be the soothing solution you've been looking for. Remember, always consult your pediatrician for personalized advice. And now, for those of you interested in trying out white noise machines, here are a few high-quality pediatric recommended brands that are perfect for your baby. First, we have the Hatch Rest Baby Sound Machine Nightlight 2nd Generation, perfect for creating the ultimate sleep environment for your little one. For a more advanced option, there's the Hatch Rest Plus Baby and Kids Sound Machine 2nd Generation, which comes with additional features like a clock and battery backup. If you're looking for something budget-friendly, the Hatch Rest Go is a portable option ideal for travel, while the Dreamegg White Noise Machine offers great value for both babies and adults. All these machines are pediatrician recommended, and you can find links to buy them in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on baby sleep and care. And if you're ready to try one of these white noise machines, check out the links below to get yours today.